Khir tu le ngai thatu zong zong te in zawain chi bai vek ule voina chuan preposition kan man lar zual te kha kan chhun zom le anga somthum pani na chuan beyond 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 hei hi cheni in alam thaya beyond emo beyond emo ati thei ve ve ani awm zia chu chithumin awma apakhat na chuan pi alam thlengin ti na ni entir nan the road continues beyond the village up into the hills. The road continues beyond the village up into the hills. Kong chu khopi alam tlang thlengin awm phei vek ani heta khwa kan ti village hi village village nilovin village ti tur ani achan dang le a chuan ti thei phak bak ti na ni entir nan the bicycle was beyond repair. The bicycle was beyond repair. Cycle chu siam thei to lo tur khopin achia. The situation is beyond our control. The situation is beyond our control. Thil thleng mek chu kan control thei phak bak ani. Thil thleng mek chu thil thleng mek amo tun tin mun chu kan thunun thei phak bak ani achan pathum na chuan a hlama ma emo advance ma ma a har ma ma ti na nyang chu advance chu entir nan the handle was just beyond my reach. The handle was just beyond my reach. Avan ban chu kavon phak bak ani ti chuanin avon ban chu a hlama ma ti na anyang chu the exercise was beyond the abilities of most of the class. The exercise was beyond the abilities of most of the class. Zirlai chu zirlai tam zok te tan a har ma ma zirlai chu zirlai tam zok te tan a har ma ma advance ma ma kan tiang chu somthum pathum na chuan by by hei hi chan chili om thaya pakhat na chuan bula emo sira ti na ni entir nan the telephone is by the window. Telephone chu kong kate bula om come and sit by me. Come and sit by me. Local la ka bula lo thuro local la ka sira lo thuro achan panhi na chuan mangin ti na ni mangin ti na ni entir nan I will contact you by later. I will contact you by later. Leka thon mangin karon contact ang che leka thon mangin karon biang che may I pay by credit card. May I pay by credit card. Credit card mangin aman ka pe thayangem credit card mangin aman ka pe thayangem adang lia chuan passive voice a by anita a passive voice chu zir tham fe ani awangin tun zir lai bi ka chuanin kan soifia lo mai anga apoi mo bera chuan passive voice a by kan man thina kha preposition ani ti kha I hre phatang o avai vai chuanin ron soifia ka tum lawanga ma sela entir na example pakhat te karon da zoi anga I was frightened by the noise. I was frightened by the noise. Awm zia chu thom chuan min ti hlau ti na ani passive voice bi ka chuan by nunga noun emo noun phrase hi atitu zok ani thina subject zok han ti la kan sei sual lo anga subject chu ti tu zo kania ti chuanin he sentence a ai heta he sentence a subject din muna ding zo ka hi ati hlawa zo kha anita ne ti chuan a subject dik tak zok chu bai nunga naung zok hi anita a chuwang chuanin hazel lai bi ka chuan he example chau he kan lo da anga lakin zela kan kal zel anga passive voice te pawh kan zir chho zel dawna chuti huna te pawh kan la in thil fia chun som zel tura ngai la achan palina chu hun zo ma in ti na ni he a palina ai chuan before ne nan anga aum zia chu before hun zo ma in hun thlen ma in pawh nyang chu entunan can you finish the work by 5 o'clock? Can you finish the work by 5 o'clock? Dar ngarik ma in nai zo manangem. Dar ngarik ma in nai zo thayengem. I'll have it done by tomorrow. I'll have it done by tomorrow. Naktuk thlen ma in kati zo manang. By this time next week, we'll be in New York. By this time next week, we'll be in New York. Karle tu nang hun thlen ma in New York a kan om tong. Emo karle tu nang hun a chuan New York a kan om tong. Heta hian before nen a in ang ani. Ole voina tan chuan khati zong khani ri phot sela thlir tu zong zong te in zawai chunga lom thu ka soya. Like subscribe le share kha milauti sakwe theu don nia in zawai mang tham tu vek ule